Learning acrylic day 2. Welcome to day 2 of 28 days of acrylic lesson 2. How to prepare your acrylic brush. When you buy a brush, it comes quite stiff from the factories. You just gently need to give the brush a little nudge until you get a little bit of movement. I then like to get my brush and just dip into the acrylic liquid and then wipe out just on a dental bib. You can use paper towel as well. This is going to get out any residual glue that may still be inside your brush. Repeat a few times until your brush is ready to go and no hairs are stuck together. So you can see the hairs are nice and have a bit of flex and free of sticking together. Now, thanks for watching, guys, and see you tomorrow for our next nail tutorial.